Vice President Sara Duterte calls the impeachment case against her as politicking and harassment, while complainants insist she must answer serious allegations on the use of public funds. Here's the report.
Politicking, harassment, and abuse of the impeachment process. That is how Vice President Sara Duterte described the impeachment complaint endorsed by the group Akbayan against her.
Ang impeachment complaint na inendorso ng Akbayan ay isang papel na walang kalakip na kahit anong ebidensyang magpapatunay sa mga paratang na isinasaad dito.
In a video statement, the Vice President insisted that Akbayan has no credibility to endorse or file an impeachment complaint. She noted that the group's leader have repeatedly expressed their intention to run for president. Senator Risa Ontiveros is Akbayan's chair emeritus. VP Sara also shared a portion of Ontiveros' speech from August 2024, where the senator said that while the vice president remains in power, the threat of a full-blown Duterte comeback remains.
Habang ang anak niya ay may kapangyarihan pa, hindi magiging madali ang ating laban. While VP Sara is in power, the threat of a full-blown Duterte comeback is still a very real and present danger. For one, they are supported by one major superpower, China.
VP Sara also raised past congressional hearings which she described as a clear fishing expedition for a planned impeachment against her.
Paulit-ulit nilang ibinandera ang isyung Mary Grace Piatos bilang umano'y bahid ng katiwalian. Kahit na sa kabila ng lahat ng investigasyon ay wala silang naipakitang kahit isang direktang paglabag sa paggamit ng confidential funds.
Akbayan President Rafaela David hit back, saying it was ironic that the Vice President dismissed the complaint as baseless.
Her video doesn't project confidence. Nangangamoy takot, simple lang naman ang hinihingi sa kanya. Ipaliwanag ang pagwaldas ng pera ng bayan. Tama na ang palusot, Madam Sara.
Meanwhile, mamamayang Liberal Party List Representative Laila De Lima said the Vice President cannot simply dismiss the complaint as politicking. According to De Lima, she must prove that the allegations have no baseless, otherwise she should be held accountable